Yeah. So whenever you are playing with your method arguments, it is something like overloading your method, right? Overloading. So much of load, right? And this is called operator overloading. Again, we have this modified this, yeah. So till now you're clear, right?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Now, just give me a second. Okay. We already talked, like I told, right? We will target this super method.
Yes.
We'll just do the same thing. Let's say parent A is your father. Parent, okay. Father was using Nokia 1100, for instance. You know this mobile or not?
Yeah, I know this mobile.
Okay. So now this is you, child. I'll tell you what to print. Okay. Before that, so I am using this super. So what will happen? So what is this super is doing? It will get the super class method, this mobile. That means this complete functionality, you'll get it here, right?
Yeah.
Let's see the output. Okay, we have not called anything. Let me call the child class. You're taking your father's phone to your class, and then you're saying it is my phone. So you got this, right? This is what we do in our childhood. We'll take your father's phone and we'll go to your neighbor's home and show, okay, this is my phone, right? Now Nokia 1100 is B object. B is what? You. It's a child.
Yes.
Dot mobile. You are using your father's mobile. Someone says that, okay, this is a old phone. This is old phone. So now what you are trying to do is you don't want this phone. Now you are creating your new phone. High end, okay? Enough?
Yes.
Samsung high end. Now what is the output?
Yeah, something like
See, remember one thing. You have mobile here and mobile here.
okay.
You have why this only is getting called?
Because we called B dot mobile and we are not taking any super.
Yeah, we are not taking any super. That's the reason it is getting called. So why only this is called it? This is the first preference, right? See, same method is there. You can also use the same method. Okay. You can also use the same method. If required, you can use super, because if you want, you can use super. Okay. If you don't want this super, you can use your own. See, which method is overriding here? Mobile method, right?
Yeah.
Mobile method is inherited from class A. Here also mobile is there. Here also mobile is there. but you are changing the behavior of that. Initially, it was, if you call this mobile, you'll get Nokia 1100. If you call this mobile, you're getting
Samsung has it.
Samsung high-end mobile. So that means the same mobile method is behaving differently. You are overriding here in the child what you are doing because of your friends. Your friends are scolding that, okay, you are having very cheap phone, for example, very small phone, for example. Now you got a short temper and you have just turned your mobile to what? Samsung high-end. That means if I call this A dot mobile, I will get Nokia. If I call B dot mobile, I'll get Samsung end.
Samsung.
But the mobile method is same,
Yeah.
right? So this is parent, this is child. See, the definition is if you are inheriting the same method, but changing the functionality of the method is called method overriding. You're overriding the method. Okay.
Okay.
If required, you are using super. That's also fine. Two mobiles. Okay. That doesn't matter. But this functionality and this functionality is different. That is what we need. That is the overriding concept. See, whenever you are changing the arguments, especially, that is called overloading. Whenever you're changing the functionality of the method itself, direct functionality of the method itself, where is Samsung, where is Nokia, and where is Samsung? You're completely changing this model itself, right? You're completely changing this functionality. That is called method overloading. Same method, different functionality. Same method, different functionality, right? Okay, let me show you one more thing. Okay, I'll just put pass. Pass will do nothing. So now which one will call?
It will throw error
Why?
because we are not defining. It will call this is Nokia 110.
Exactly. This is Nokia 110.
Yeah.
Now you are not liking this Nokia 110. Now you have defined the same mobile, right? Same mobile with Samsung.
Sure, sure.
That means you are overriding that Nokia. Now you are getting the point.
Yeah.
If you're not giving anything, you obviously your fathers will come to you. But you want to change it. You have to, you need a mobile, but you need a different mobile, right? You are changing the functionality of this. So this is called what is this called?
Overloading. Method
Overloading.
of.
Yes. Overriding, sorry. You're overriding the functionality.
Okay.
You're completely changing overriding means. Clear?
Okay.
Same mobile, differently it is behaving based on this object. Clear?
Yeah. If we pass multiple arguments, then we call overloading.
Overloading, yes.
Okay.
Different arguments will pass overloading. Overloading and overriding can be done at the same time as well, like this. We changed the functionality here, right? We
Yeah.
changed, yeah, you can, but yeah, the concept is, you understood this concept or not? Overloading,
Yes. Yes.
overriding.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll take a 15-minute break. You have any questions?
No. Oh, I understood till now.
Yeah. We'll take a 15 minutes break.
Okay.
Then we will sharp 5:15 we'll meet and we'll discuss encapsulation. That also you already know. We'll just make it in a different way, right?
Okay.
Stay tuned till 5:15. Yeah. Yeah, hello. Guys there? Just let me take a minute. Okay, so any questions in the previous session, part one? In this session, part one, sorry, in the polymorphism.
No. It's clear.
Okay, all right. So now let's dive into the encapsulation concept. See, this even we know, but very little details I need to specify. Okay. So what is encapsulation, right? Encapsulation, you have any idea what is encapsulation?
Mhm.
Any idea? I'm not getting your voice for some reason.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Sorry, your voice is not audible.
Is it audible now?
Yeah, little bit better.
Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah. So encapsulation is nothing but binding your data and methods
Okay.
into a single unit, which in turn provides data security. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes we call it as data hiding. Okay. Data hiding inside your class. So I'll hop you around. So by this definition, are you able to recollect something? By this definition, binding your data and methods into a single unit. What is this exactly called? What is this exactly called? Class, right?
Yeah.
You have something called class.
Yeah.
What you do inside your class? This is your data. This is your data, right?
Yeah.
One second, one second, one second. Yeah. Yeah. So name is your data, right? Salary is your data, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now, there is also one method called get salary. So I'll put one more method called M1. Cool. Clear?
Okay.
So this is your data and methods which is enclosed inside a class. Okay. But
Yeah.
this is an encapsulation example as per the definition, but you also need to provide your data hiding capabilities. So here you're not hiding your data, right? You're not hiding your data.
Yeah.
One second. You're not hiding your data, right? So because you can call this anywhere and you can actually use your salary or something. See, name is Ishwar, salary is 5,000 rupees. Right? You're able to get the data. So yes, this is an example of encapsulation. But what is the main usage of example? See, do you know my salary, guys? Salary is somewhat a critical thing, right?
Yeah.
Salary cannot be a public thing. See, I came outside the class, right? I came outside the class. For example, I came outside the class and I'm giving my salary publicly. I'm giving my salary public. Can I give can I give like that? Do you know someone says their salary openly? No, right?
No.
It's a something critical entity. Okay. So I don't want to give my salary access to everyone. See, if I want to change my salary, I can change like this, right?
Yeah.
A dot salary. See here. Instead, I'll do 2,000. See, what is my salary? See, this salary is a very critical thing. You are giving it access to outside of this class and someone is changing it.
Okay.
See, there is a critical information, right? You need to
Yes.
provide a security for this. Right or no?
Yeah.
Name, it's fine. It can be public. But yeah, but there is a chance that someone can change your salary. Clear?
Yes.
So for that, we have a concept called access modifiers. Only three access modifiers, right? One is public. Public is the current one, right? Here in this example, we have name. A is equals to 3, for example. Private. Private, okay? In this example, name is public, right?
Yes.
Name. I want to put my salary as private, right? I don't want to put it in public domain. I want to put my salary with me, private, right? And one more
Yeah.
thing is called protected. So public, how we are actually doing is like this with a simple name. Private, how we have to define is double underscore. Okay? Double underscore. Clear? When you put it as a double underscore, okay? When you put this as a double underscore,
Uh,
it becomes as private variable. What it will become?
Private variable.
Private. Simple. Put double underscore. It's a private. Public. So how you can achieve your encapsulation is like binding your data and methods into single unit, and we provide a data hiding capabilities based on access modifiers, which is public, private, protected. If you use this, you'll get some data hiding capabilities. Let's see what is those hiding capabilities right now. Single underscore is protected. Okay. Single underscore is called protected. Double underscore is called private. So now I have an object of A. Okay. See, I came outside the class, right? I came outside the class. Name is simple, public, right? Nothing. It's a public variable, right? Data, public variable, name. It's straightforward. I gave double underscore. What I did? I gave double underscore. So first A dot name. Let's print this. Let's print this. Are we getting A dot name? Clear, Ishwar?
Yes.
Now let's see A dot salary. What I'm doing?
I got it.
A dot salary. Let's check whether we are getting this or not. What we are getting in A dot salary line. See, it is showing the salary line. A object has, read this carefully.
No, I
But we have an attribute, right? We have an attribute. For name, we have name. It is not giving any issue. But for salary, why it's giving an issue?
because we did double underscore relative.
Your voice is very low. I'm sorry. You are speaking. Yeah.
It may be no.
Still low, but yeah.
Let's can you hear now?
Yeah, very, very clear. Very clear. Yes. So
Okay.
we are
Because we
not.
given double underscore.
Yeah, it is a private variable. So what is the definition of private? Accessible. See, these are
But
access
no
modifiers.
one can
Accessible inside the class only. Inside the class only. Clear? I cannot access this outside the class, right? You cannot access this. So how to access this? How to access this? See, there are setters and getters. This is just a naming convention. Setters or getters. Get salary. See, this is a function name. That's it. I am writing this function. Get salary. What is the definition of private? It is accessible. What is the
inside the
scope of
class
this?
only.
Inside the class. So inside the class, I will try to access this. Inside the class, I will try to access this. Return self dot what?
Salary.
Class salary, right? Now how to get this salary? How to get this salary? Let's do it here. A is already an object, we know. A is already an object, we know. Okay. A dot, can I do this? Get salary. Can I do
Yes.
this? Get salary. What
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
see, check here. A dot get salary. Right? Sorry. A dot get salary. I'm doing simple. Clear?
Okay.
Now what it is doing? It is calling this function. On object A, we are calling this get salary function, right? On object A, what we are doing? We are calling get salary function, right?
Yeah.
This get salary is inside the class, so I can access it,
Okay.
right? See, check it. So wait a minute. This is any spelling mistake. Let me see. Okay, I have to execute this first. Sorry. Then I'll execute this. Then I'll execute this. Right? Clear?
Yeah.
So that means what we are doing, see, for the outside user, see, think in this way. For outside user, we are not giving direct access to this data. We are not giving what? We are not giving
Access to the data.
direct access to the data, this data. We are giving access through methods, right?
Yeah.
We are giving access to methods. These are what? Getter method. This is what get salary. It's a simple naming only. It's like we are getting some information. We are called getter. Similarly, if you want to update this salary, we'll put set salary. See, you see directly no one can, while creating object itself, there is no scope that people can directly touch your salary, right?
Yeah.
But there is a scope. See, why we generally give this scope. See, if suppose your HR wants to change your salary, how you will change? HR wants to change your salary after 1 year, right?
Yes.
So how you will change?
Self its salary
Is equals to,
is equals to.
here I will pass the number, new salary, okay?
Okay.
New salary. I'll just put this written. Check it, check it, check it. A dot, A dot, this is cell. See, I'll first execute this code, okay? Oh, some issue, some issue, some issue. What is the syntax error? Hey, I'm sorry, just a second. Yeah, just put AI. Let's see what is showing. Hey, close, okay. Okay. Just a second, just a second. Where I'm calling, yeah. See, you have to call, right? See, set salary, this get salary, okay. A dot set salary. How much you want? I see HR is increasing my salary by 2000 rupees. Now I'm putting 5000. See, my get salary is 5000, existing salary. HR increased my salary to 7000.
Count it.
Okay, A has no attribute set salary. Just a second, just a second. Okay. There is some syntax error here itself. Okay, okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, okay, cool, cool, cool. What I can do is, see, we have to update the salary only, right? Salary of the self, correct? We have to update the salary of the self. So new salary we are updating automatically. Okay. Let me do this now. Clear? This function is clear. We are updating the new salary, right? This self. Who is this person? Self person, right? Person A. And then we are actually calling this. Okay, I'll just remove this for now. Okay. To make it clean. So get salary is this thing, 5000, correct? Now I'm putting
Yeah.
my set salary. I set my salary. Again, if I get my salary, what should be my answer?
It's 7000.
That's it. Clear?
Clear.
So who is having access to this method? Only HR. So in my code, I can write a condition if user is HR, okay? Then only you can set the salary. Clear? See, this is how you are providing security, right? No one, see, if user is HR, then only I'm putting, just imagine if who will have this access, set salary now, according this code, according
To
to
the
this,
HR.
only to the HR, right? Previously,
Yeah.
if I write this, everyone is having access,
Yes.
right? So this is the use of private setters and only through methods you can access. That is how you can control. That is how you can control your data by putting setters and getters. So in real world example, real world applications, you will check for each method. Okay, if user is HR, then only the set salary will work, right? Even for get salary also, only if user is yourself. I should not get your salary, right?
Yes.
This object should be mine, Ishwar. Then only I want my salary.
Okay.
Clear?
Only HR can access it.
Yeah, in this case, HR can set it. In this case, HR and you yourselves can get. This is just a reading, right? You want to know your salary and HR will automatically know the get salary. Correct? I
Yeah.
cannot access your, if self user is your, if, if user is you, for example, then only it will return your salary. See, if I want to access your salary, will I get? If I want to access your salary, will I get it? No, right? Either I
No.
should be an HR or I should be you yourself. Then only I'll get my
Yes.
your salary. So that is how
Okay.
you can make controls. I'm just telling you can make control. This is setter method and this is getter method. So now in short, encapsulation is binding data and methods into single unit, which is providing your data security, or a data hiding is also called as encapsulation, which you can achieve using getters and setters, which you can achieve using public, private, and protector access modifiers. So in short, binding data and methods into single unit, which provides data hiding capabilities by using public, private, and protected. So now
Okay.
you are able to see only inside your class, you are able to get this private variable, right?
Yes.
This name, public variable, anywhere you can get it. Here also I am getting, right?
Yeah.
Public variable. But how you are actually doing with methods,
Come
right?
again.
Methods, getters and setters. Now let's
Yeah.
take one more example for protected. I'll put class A again. I'll put class def in it. Now you should tell this. Self dot. Now I will show you. This is your salary, 32,000, for example.
Okay.
So we gave single underscore, remember. See, even the VS code is unhighlighted. See, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Okay. So we are actually getting what? See, even with this, it's getting highlighted. I'll just show you. Class B, right? We are inheriting this class A, right? We'll have a def in it. Okay. Will I get salary here? See, I am inheriting the constructor. I'm inheriting the constructor. This entire thing will come here, right?
Yes.
If I execute this self dot salary, will it work?
Yes,
Private.
no.
Huh? Yes or no?
No.
No. The answer is no. Okay, cool. Why no?
Even though we inherit, it is a private thing.
Yeah, exactly. It's a private, which is available to the only to that class. So now let me do for age.
We can get the age.
Why?
Oh, so it is just protected, so we can get it.
No, no, just I have to change it here. Here it will not show actually. Yeah. Yes, it is showing, right?
Yeah.
So this means protected, Protect, protected can be accessed, protected can be accessed its own class and subclass. Okay. See, you see this, you see the sensitivity. Salary, you don't want to share to anyone. You have to put it in a private, right? Age,
Yes.
you can actually share your age to your relatives. Maybe they will know, right? This is your
Yeah.
inheritance, right? Name you can show to anyone. It's not that sensitive. It's very public,
Okay.
right? So if you feel you can share this to subclass, use only till subclass, not public, only till subclass, right? You can use protected. If you don't want to share anything to subclass, it should be in the same class itself. So use private, right? Protected is single underscore, private is double underscore, which is only inside this class. See the highlight also, it is highlighted too much. This is not highlighting
Yes.
in the first code. So that is how it works. You understood, right? Public.
Yeah.
Public means accessible everywhere. People will ask this in interview.
Okay.
Everywhere. Inside its class. Inside its own class. Okay.
It's own and it's
Yeah.
parent child class.
Accessible inside its own and own class subclass. This is the accessibilities, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that's the point. Getting? So now you are able to have the control over your data
Yes.
using getters and setters. That is the main intention of your encapsulation. You are having the encapsulation advantages, right? This is the concept of encapsulation. So these are all simple, but you might not know this public, private, protected variables. Rest all things are same. And the accessibilities, yeah. Clear? This is
Yeah,
how you
clear.
control your data and give security to your data, etc. Any questions?
Okay.
There is one concept called abstraction. Maybe tomorrow I'll teach that. It's a very 10 to 15-minute concept. Yes. I don't want to give the overwhelming part at the moment, but yes, this is what the entire oops, only one concept left. And then we go to pandas tomorrow. And from the next week, we'll start SQL. Python will be completed. And yes, coming Wednesday, we are going to, maybe Wednesday or Thursday, I'll let you know. We are going to give it the doubt clearing sessions.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
So we'll be done with Python.
Yes, yes. Two more classes, one class more. Yes. But
Okay.
other things are also there in Python. I'll teach in somewhere. in the end
Okay.
for the interview perspective. But for the working perspective, for the data engineering sake, everything, things are done. Pandas will teach tomorrow, and then abstraction. If time permits, I will teach about generators and iterators. That is a little bit lengthy concept. One more week I need for that, but I don't want to disturb right now because those we will not use very often in the data engineering. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever we are using mostly, I thought I teach. So now the generators and iterators, yes, those are very useful for interviews, but not for the work. But yes, I'll definitely cover that as well. After SQL, I'll take one session where I will just cover only those stuff. Okay,
Okay.
cool. So hope you are getting day by day comfort of writing the code little bit better, slowly.
Little better, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yes, if you have any doubt in between, don't wait for my class till the end. You can just email me or you can put it in the chat. This is what you are facing. I can reply you in 12 hours or 24 hours at least.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, wherever you get stuck. Write the
Okay.
problem statement, what you're trying to solve, and where you have stuck, and then ask me if you're having any issues there.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
Any questions in the today's class, entire
Um,
class?
No, I understood most of the things, but once I listen to it, I'll get more clarity.
Yeah, yeah, please. Cool. So we'll wind up this class today. By tomorrow, we'll actually complete our Python most 90%. 100% we will complete in some other day or maybe the next week based on your schedules. Yeah,
Okay.
that's what it is. But we are very well, sorry, we will be very well comfort by tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll just play with some data.
Sure.
All right. So if you don't have any questions, we can actually wind up this session.